Good afternoon, Warriors. Today is Friday, February 22nd, 2019. Happy birthday shout out to the first President of the United States, Mr. George Washington. Taking a look at our homework for this weekend. And yes, you heard that right. We do have homework this weekend. Just with the snow days that we have had and missed, we are going to be having more and more homework potentially on weekends, but also as a way to help prepare you guys for the 7th grade and beyond. In math, we have page 287, numbers 1 through 17 in the regular math class. In honors, there is no homework. Most of you in the morning classes should have been able to get that done in class and or get it done at Warrior Time. Afternoon classes, you should have hopefully had time to get that done as well. Please remember you're not doing problems 12 and 13. In science across the board, we have a lesson review, page 249. In social studies, in language arts, and literature, there is no homework. However, we have AR points that are due in about 3 weeks. So please make sure that you are keeping up on your AR because you do not want to wait to the last minute to try to get all of your points. That's it for today. Have a great weekend.